How to solve 1 power x plus 3 power x is equal to 9 power x. Find the value of x. So at first we divided by 9 power x in both sides. So divided by 9 power x divided by 9 power x divided by 9 power x. Now we see this 9 power x will be cancelled. So here on, here on. Now from here we see x same power but different base. So according to this formula, a power n over b power n is equal to a over b, then bracket common power n. That means n same power but different base. So according to this formula we can write here 1 over 9, then bracket common power x plus, we see again x same power but different base. So according to this exponential rule we can write here 3 over 9, then bracket common power x is equal to 1 divided by 1, that means it will be 1. Now 1 by 9 can be written as 1 by 3 bracket power 2. 1 square is same as 1 over 3 square is same as 9. Then this first bracket can be written as second bracket, then power of x plus here 3 divided by 3, that means it will be 1. 9 divided by 3, that means it will be 3. So we have 1 over 3, then bracket power of x is equal to 1. Now here you can apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. So according to this rule I can write here 1 by 3 bracket power x, then second bracket power of 2, then plus 1 by 3 bracket power x is equal to 1. Now we see 1 by 3 bracket power x, 1 by 3 bracket power x, both term is same. So let 1 by 3 bracket power x is substituted by y. So our equation will be y square plus y then is equal to 1. Now we can write here y square plus y, then this plus 1 take to the left side, so this will be minus 1, then is equal to 0. Now here I can apply quadratic formula, so I can write here y is equal to minus b plus or minus a square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Here a will be equal to 1, then b is as 1, then c will be equal to negative 1. Now we can write here y will be equal to minus b, that means 1, then plus or minus a square root of b square, that means it will be 1 square minus 4 times a, that means 1, times c, that means negative 1. So bracket negative 1, then divided by 2 times a, that means 1. Now I can write here y is equal to minus 1 plus or minus a square root of 1 square is same as 1, then minus times minus, that means it will be plus. 4 times 1 times 1, that means it will be 4. Then divided by 2 times 1, that means 2. Now we can write here y is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4, that means it will be 5, then divided by 2. Now we see here two cases, so you can write here y is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, or y is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now remember that let 1 by 3 bracket power x is substituted by y. So y, that means 1 by 3 bracket power x. So y, that means it will be 1 by 3 bracket power x is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, or y, that means it will be 1 by 3 bracket power x. So 1 by 3 bracket power x is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now we see 1 by 3 bracket power any number is always positive, but this is negative. So positive cannot be equal to negative, so this is rejected. Now from here we apply log in both sides. So you can write here log of 1 by 3 bracket power x is equal to log of plus square root of 5, that means square root of 5, then minus 1 divided by 2. Now here I can apply rule that log m power r is equal to r log m. That means this power r move to the base. So according to this rule, I can compare here this power x will move to the base. So you can write here x log 1 by 3 is equal to log of square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Now we need the value of x, so we divided by log of 1 by 3 in both sides. So divided by log of 1 by 3 divided by log of 1 by 3. Now we see this log of 1 by 3, this log of 1 by 3 will be cancelled. So here x will be equal to this divided by this. That means here I can apply this formula log a divided by log b is equal to log a base b. So according to this formula, this divided by this, that means it will be log of square root of 5 minus 1 over 2, then base of 1 by 3. So this is the value of x. So this is our final answer. How to solve 9 power y is equal to 27. Find the value of y. So we have 9 power y is same as 3 power 2, then bracket power of y, then is equal to 27. Now 3 power of 2 times y, that means it will be 2y, 2 times y, that means 2y, then is equal to, we see here base is 3, but here 27. So 27 can be written as 3 power 3. Now we see 3 3 same base. So remember this formula, a power b is equal to a power c. So a same base. So a will be cancelled, power will be equal to power, that means b will be equal to c. So according to this exponential rule that you can compare here, 3 3 will be cancelled, so power will be equal to power, that means 2y will be equal to 3. Now we divided by 2 in both sides because we need the value of y. So divided by 2 divided by 2. So this 2 will be cancelled. So we have y is equal to 3 by 2. So 3 by 2, this is the value of y. So this is our final answer.